how to enable voice chat on Roblox PS5 or PS4. To enable voice chat on Roblox for PS5 or PS4, you must verify your age and identity through the Roblox mobile app or website. Voice chat settings cannot be changed directly on the console. So first, go ahead and verify your age through ID verification. So you must be 13 years old or older to use Roblox voice chat. So you'll be able to check your date of birth on Roblox by clicking on settings at the top right. So I am currently using the Roblox website for this. And then on the settings, you'll be able to check your birth date under the account info. So if the birth date that you have in here matches the age above 13 or 13, you will be able to access the voice chat feature. So to enable the voice chat feature on Roblox, head over into the privacy and content restrictions tab, and then in here click on communication, and then click on voice chat, and then make sure to enable this enable microphone feature to be able to enable voice chat on Roblox.